Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you how you can easily generate 3D characters inside the Blender. Right now I'm using the Anonymous, our 3D characters, but you can use any of our 3D characters like characters or illustrations or avatars, heads, or in the future we will have many of them. We built also the add-on which will help you generate the characters inside, and for that purpose we need to go to Edit, Preferences and to install the character generator. Right, let's click it, let's find it, and now let's start from the beginning. So we need to find the base object because on top of this we have built many masks and many modifiers, so you need to find which is the base object, and then on top of this object we need to find like all the clothes. We have everything here, so we have top, shoes, pants, hair, accessories. We don't need anything else there. But if for example, our 3D library has something else, like outfits, for example, you can add it there. But for this, we have these two, so it will work nicely. So let's find the character. And now, as you can see, turn off the clothes. But I can easily just change loose hoodie, white tramps. You see, I'm generating the character, jeans, and now it's working nicely. I can have the hair like, let's say this one, or I can choose and have a different one. You see, this is how easily it's working. What is cool, to be honest, you can generate all possible combinations what is inside of tops, shoes, pants, hair and accessories. It would take some time because there are like thousands of them, and it will go like, we'll take first from top and it will matching it with shoes, pants, hairs and accessories. So it will do the combinations of the 3 character. It's handy if you want to have many of them, and for example you will generate thousands of possible combinations and then just randomly render few of them. It can be handy if you don't care how the combinations look like. But then if you don't want to have all combinations but you want to have some combinations, you can just easily put number of combinations and then click random combinations. As you can see now, you can see that it's generated random clothes with the character. The reason why I don't see this part of the hand is because the masking is turned on, right? So if I go sweater, I don't need this masking, I need left. Yes, this is what I need. Now it's working nicely. Because I have also the poses here, and also I generated on top of that the clothes, generated the 3 characters. It means that if I change the frames here, I'm changing also the clothes and also the poses. Need any of these, you just need to go and in pose mode you need to click all of them and just delete, right? And also delete this accessory, so you'll just go and right click on this disable in viewports, and here you can just clear keyframe, or here is the shortcut Shift Alt I. This is how it is working in nutshell. If you want to go further, because you see that masking is there, we used a little connections to tell base object, in our case male, which mask should use in what assets. Okay, so we used some small, how to call them, like connections between masking and assets. The reason is why, because if you generate the characters, sometimes you want to use some masks. So for example, in this case, I want to use masks for the hoodie, right? The reason why I want to use this mask, and you can easily just customize it, but if I want to use this mask for hoodie only, I would need to go and find like mask hoodie. I would need to write the prefix. So let's say I would call it like here is hoodie. Let's say I would call it just mask, right? And also I would call it here like mask. Now I just want to demonstrate you that I have the mask here and also I have the mask here. So for example, I have the sweater here. I would need to add, I can use it with a sweater, but also I can use this mask with something else, with a suit, right? If it's working, you can use it with multiple assets. So now if I click random combinations, now with the shirt, it's not working properly, but let's find you see hoodie, it's keyframed because the prosthetic arm like was on by default. It wasn't keyframed. This is the reason why it was shown. But if you want to make it better, you would need to connect every mask with proper asset. So let's take a look more of them. So let's say with the sweater. Here is the sweater and here is the mask. In the modifiers, go to masks and you will see the sweater. Where is the sweater? Here is the sweater. This is the prefix. Use underscore, like the prefix underscore and then the name, and it will work like charm. Okay. For example, let's add a couple of them, more of them. Okay, so I added a couple of them. If it would work automatically, because this is super handy, you don't have to go manually and just, you know, turn it on and off and so on, because it can be annoying. But you would need to go and to put prefix everywhere. So, for example, if I want to have some, for example, with some socks, shoes and so on, so it would work automatically. But for now, I just want to demonstrate you a couple of them. And now, as you see, let's see where it is. So here, you see. Now I have turned on these. All of these were keyframed, as you can see, and turned on are just only the mask hoodie and the prosthetic arm, which is correct because I'm using the hoodie and the prosthetic arm, right? So this is how it is working. You can then easily just clear the keyframes, and it will clear this keyframe, as you can see, and the masking also. So it will delete everything what you said. So, and now you are using only one of the clothes, which can be also handy if you want to render one type of the clothes with different poses. So yes, as you can see, these little things. Okay, this is working nicely, and yes, you can just easily render it, and it should work. So this is how the character generator is working inside the Blender. And yes, if you want to add more the characters, just go here, click add, and it will find, and you can add more of our characters and create a scene. So thank you so much. I hope this will help you to use our 3D libraries and generate more characters and to have fun. And if you have any question, please reach out to me at samuel@3d.design or in the comments in the YouTube. If you want to learn more about 3D, go to 3d.design. If you want to learn more about Anonymous, this 3D library which I used, go to 3d.design/3D cartoon character. And yes, if you want to be among us, people who love 3D, go to our Discord server, and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.